3, 2, 1. So, welcome. We are a different episode of Winging It. We are in the wonderful country of the US of A instead of the UK today. And the plan is we're going to be going to Home Depot and building our own lightsabers. A wonderful life and I are going to be walking around and seeing what we can make. Let's go.
Wow, you're touching someone else's rod? Crazy. What's the difference between a chaga and the cha-cha and the chada and the chaba? Chikskaba?
That's a B.
Ba. The X. The X. I don't know. Bruh.
Change of plan. I went with a black one instead. I wanted to
Hello, motherfucker.
I wanted to go for like light washers too, but there was none. There was, so it was like rubber ones, probably like $4 a piece.
No thanks.
Ain't about that. The new episode of My Strange Addiction. Cheese.
Pretty average size.
We're gonna get the cha. We're gonna get 2 cha-chas for the cha-cha slide. I hate that there's like this space. You see this? You see this? No bueno. I'm gonna get these big boys so that it goes all the way to the tip. It's like pretty perfect to that, so.
5 hours later.
So we've been at Home Depot for 5 hours. Wasn't meant to be like that. Had to go for a quick M&M break.
We're here, we're thriving, we're living, but some of the parts like we couldn't find, thick bolts, things that we wanted to put together and then they didn't go together. It was a fun process.
Are you sure about that?
They do look really well.
Yeah, even the lady in the checkout, she was like,
Yeah.
what are you guys making? And we were like, oh yeah, we're making lightsabers. She didn't understand. She was like, I don't know. Jake showed a picture. She was like, oh, this is so cool.
We got Dairy Queen.
We're gonna get Dairy Queen.
Mm-hmm.
Come with us to Dairy Queen.
We head back and we will build them.
We'll see you guys there.
Mm-hmm.
We've got Dairy Queen.
Got chicken, bread. I didn't realize we got bread.
Chicken bread.
Chicken strip. Ah!
Fucking chicken strip.
Fuck your chicken strip.
And we got an Oreo what? What's it called?
It's called a blizzard. It's on the
Blizzard.
name.
Fucking blizzard!
Oh yeah, I knew that.
Why the fuck you lying?
I got the choco brownie extreme.
Mm-hmm.
I got good old Dairy Queen French fries because they be ballin'.
Ballin' like curry.
I got a chili dog.
Glizzy. So we're gonna enjoy it. Bye. And then, oh, this is mine. I went for a bit of a different one. I saw this and I was like, yo, crossguard, that's pretty sick. I'm really happy with how it's turned out. Let's move on to Kate.
Here is the finished lightsaber hilt. I wanted mine to be a bit different. I wanted some black. I didn't want it to be all silver. I didn't want any gold because I'm not a gold person. These little spiky lock nut things were pretty cool. The transition.
Aww. We finally built them. I went with the crossguard. Originally I wasn't going to go for anything like that, but then I saw this piece and I was like, yo. So it's pretty clean. I wanted maybe a bit more gold, but I think that's enough.
He had the idea of being like a dual-ended lightsaber type thing. That would have been pretty sick. I kind of wanted one that was just like a single. That way I could be like... I didn't want mine to be all silver. Originally it was all silver and I hated it. I was actually like struggling, getting very agitated because we were there for 5 hours.
Yeah, it was pretty bad.
We've come up with for me whose handle looks like this.
I don't know why, but I just thought it was Starkiller, but it's not Starkiller. It's definitely not. Like, it's... There's
Yeah.
somebody. We'll look it up and we'll pop the help if we can find it.
Right here. Future editing Jake, come in clutch.
Fortunately, I'm gonna head back to the UK. Yeah. I'll be carrying on with the Obi-Wan series. We gotta head off now. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know what you think and go from there. Bye, guys. Let me know when you're ready.
Yep.
3, 2, 1. Welcome. So,
Oh no, the car beeped. Oh, gotta start over.